Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my July Allure box. If you are new to Allure, Allure is a $23 per month subscription box. You will get makeup, you will get skincare. They say you will have more than $100 in value and you will have 3 full-sized items. It's not everybody's favorite. So far, it has been worth keeping for me. There are some months that are better than others, but I have to tell you, there's something about it that just won't let me quit them. So I have started doing try-ons with my videos. I just finished an Ipsy one, so this is how far we've gotten so far with the Ipsy color. So hopefully there are things in here that we can add to it. When we open it up, and this is what it looks like. And this is the paperwork that will tell us about all of the products inside from the perspective of editors that liked it, because I always say if they didn't like it, they wouldn't get to be in the booklet. And then we have information that will tell us about one of the products that we have, and then those are our products. The paperwork says your best brows. This is the one thing that I knew was in here, so I am anxious to use this because I just did an Ipsy unboxing where we did my face so far, and I had a brow gel, but I'm not great at brow gels. I am much better. Oh, well, that implies I'm good with them. No, I am much more comfortable with a brow pencil, so we will get to this. But reaching in right on top, boop, we have the Able Skincare London Anti-Aging, Retexturizing, Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. Wow, this looks like it's probably full size. That is what it looks like. With Allure, they say we get 3 full-size products and our value will be more than $100. We will see. The booklet says about this: Able Skincare, Retexturizing and Resurfacing. I'm not using this. Duo Moisturizer, $132. Invariably, whatever the most expensive product in this box is, I can't use. It's always an aggressive moisturizer. Not their fault. $132. After a long day, this treatment feels so relaxing. It's a joy to apply. The lotion feels soft and light going on, and it makes my skin look dewy on the spot. Shea butter and cottonseed oil keep my complexion hydrated the next day. Niacinamide helps calm the occasional redness I get around my nose and cheeks. And lactic acid is great for gently exfoliating and brightening the skin without irritation. That should have an asterisk. This alpha hydroxy acid is unique in that it's actually hydrating and fine for sensitive skin. The formula sinks in quickly. It doesn't transfer onto my pillows or sheets, but still moisturizes well enough that I look like I got a full 8 hours. And again, $132. So the whole spiel about great for sensitive skin, you know what? Maybe 99 people out of 100, that's absolutely true. Welcome to number 100. So I'm going to set this aside for one of you guys to try. Reaching in next, I have a little box, and it is a Cure Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask. So I'm thinking that maybe isn't the box that's perfect for me. It looks like we're gonna focus on brightening. Let me take it out. It's pretty. It's a little glass bottle. It's kind of wet. I'm not gonna open it up because it's a vitamin C mask, and nope with the sensitive skin, despite what they're getting ready to say when I read it. That is what the little bottle looks like. I can't get too close for some reason with the natural light. It seems to get worse if I get close. A Cure Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask. I just found summer in mask form. This sheer illuminating mask reminds me of watermelon jello in the jar. Light pink and bouncy, and it feels cool and refreshing going on. I tried it after a few days in the sun, and the antioxidant formula with vitamin C and ferulic acid was just the pick-me-up my dried out cheeks needed. The mask tightened a little as it sat on my skin, but when I washed it off 10 minutes later, my face was soft and glowing without any dry patches. This has a $19.99 value, but this can't be full-sized. I will let you know here what the prices are. This is 0.25, true? Yes, 0.25 fluid ounces. So I will let you know what the value of this would have been, and for $19.99, what the ounces are. Reaching in next, I have What do I have? Oh, Crabtree and Evelyn. Crabtree and Evelyn, the Gardeners, Spiced Honey Bath Syrup. That smells, probably. That sounds delightful. That is what it looks like. Let's see what the paperwork says. Well, they say that this is $35, and I am quite certain that this, I should hold it over here. It's too dark over there. I am quite certain this is a sample size, but $35 full size, and we received 20 ml 0.67 fluid ounces. Have you ever found yourself in a marble soaking tub, the hot water and steam mixing with the spa quality body lotion and massage oil condensing into the humid atmosphere of your own private rainforest glade? Me either. Okay then. But that sounds amazing and not too far off from a recent experience I had with this bath syrup. It looks decadent, smells amber sweet, and turns every bath into a special occasion. Spa days ahead. Okay, let's see what it smells like. A little bit on the back of my hand, see how it looks. Let's see if it looks decadent. It does kind of look like amber. I don't know if that's decadent, it's just yellow in color. I hope that you guys can see that. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like honey. This smells like it belongs in a Margot Elena box. Oh yeah, that smells good. I like that. You have to like the scent of honey though. That's absolutely what this makes me. I don't smell a lot of spice in it, but the honey comes right through. Okay, well, I will definitely try this because I absolutely do love the scent of honey. Okay, next out of the box, we have, oh, it's so light, it almost feels like, except for I can hear it, it feels empty. La Roche-Posay Hyalu Serum B5. I'm gonna guess Hyalu for like hyaluronic acid. We will take it out. This is 3 ml or 0.1 fluid ounces. Oh, she's so tiny. Oh, she's cute. Oh, I don't know why I can't get these to show with the natural lighting. Here, let's see if I turn, oh, the ring light off. So I'll just turn the ring light off when it comes time to show you product. And afterwards, I'll probably realize I should have had it off the whole time. But interesting enough, when you get this in full size, it comes in a dropper bottle. This says it has a $29.99 value for 30 ml, and we received 10 ml. Oh, I can do the math on that. 30 ml, 3 ml, $29.99, $2.99. Like I'm a genius. This glow-inducing serum became an instant ride or die for me when I tried it a few years ago. It combines hyaluronic acid, a must-have ingredient for supple, dewy skin, with vitamin B5, another great hydrator. I am happy to report that the combo blesses my skin with serious moisture and a dewy, plump look. Look, I have a plump look too. I apply it right after toner to my face and neck. I don't know why that tickled me. And if I have some left over, to my chest. I let it sink in for a few seconds, then continue with my routine. I am on my 5th bottle, and before it runs out, I will certainly be restocking. Well, I will absolutely be trying this, so let's see what it looks like, because in theory, it comes in a dropper bottle. It should kind of be like an oil. Yeah, it kind of is. See how it's kind of like an oily serum? You know what? Ta-da! It's kind of like an oily serum. This might make the video, I might have to edit all of that out. It might make the video horrific. When I started reading the beginning of that, it said, what is it? Instant ride or die for me. I saw a meme the other day that said, I'm not really a ride or die kind of chick. Where are we riding? Do we have to die? Will there be snacks on the way? I thought, oh, that's hilarious. Okay, that immediately, almost immediately soaked in. It feels so good. I did not look, can you see the glow on that? I did not look at the ingredients, so here's hoping I can use it, but if I can, I will. Next, looks like we have eyeshadows. This is a Ciate London Bronzed. Oh, maybe not eyeshadow. Oh no, it's eyeshadows. It's a roller coaster ride, isn't it? So when we take it out, it's one of the ones that's the plastic. Ready? Lights off. It's one of the plastic ones. And when we open it up, that is what that looks like. Very, very neutral. And I have a bajillion, as you can imagine from the boxes that I open, neutral palettes. So I'm going to set this one aside for a giveaway. This says it has a $24 value. 9 times out of 10, I flip open an eyeshadow palette only to find just a few wearable colors. But this assortment of beautiful earth tones and sunset hued metallics is a refreshing palette cleanser. Sorry, couldn't help myself. Not a single dud in the mix. This sleek pink compact houses a perfect lineup of 9 warm shadows with impressive color payoff. I can do playful designs that pop, or I can create laid-back looks by sweeping the matte terracotta from my lash line to my crease. You know what, she goes on, but it's a shadow palette. And last but not least, and the one product that I'm actually gonna use or add to this look that I have going on is a Winky Lux. I think it's Winky Lux. Yes, Winky Lux. Wow, those are really small letters. Unibrow. Unibrow? That is what the box looks like. And let's take out the pencil because we are going to use this. Like I said, I just did my Ipsy box and I used just a little bit of a gel in my eyebrows, but I need more. And that is what the pen looks like. We have a spoolie end and the pencil end. And it's one of the ones that is kind of slightly triangular shape, but squarer and longer. Oh, it's definitely triangular shaped. That looks dark. Let's put it on my hand first. It's not dark. It's not dark at all. I'm going over it several times and I only built it up to that with all of that going over I did. I actually like that. I don't have really dark brows, so I like it when it's buildable like that. The paperwork says Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Eyebrow, Universal, which is why it just keeps building. Universal Eyebrow Pencil, $16. Brow and lip. That has been the extent of my makeup routine for more than a year as I prepped for endless Zooms. I typically lean toward a pencil with a spoolie on one end and an angled pencil on the other. So this one from Winky Lux is right up my alley. The first time I tried it, it went straight into my desk pencil holder, which is filled with my favorite lipsticks, lip liners, brow products, and also the occasional writing implement. I can quickly swipe this deep brown color over my arches, starting in the middle, working my way to the ends, and back to the front for the perfect distribution of color. Then the spoolie blends the strokes so that the full effect is natural. Okay, let's play with this. I just finished an Ipsy video where I did my lips. These are the Fenty lips, and I know they are quite bright, but I am smitten kitten over them. I really like this color. And a Cella shadow set, and I had a Studio Makeup brow gel, but I am far more comfortable with a brow pencil. So let's play with this a little bit. I have a 5x mirror here, so let's just play with this for a sec. When I do this, I usually add on just a little bit of tail. You know, they say that you should be able to put it at your nose, the corner of your eye, and then that is where your brow should end. Well, in real life, that is not where my brow ends. My tails have started disappearing in my old age. I kind of like that. Can you tell the difference between the two yet? I think I like it. I have brows and they haven't really started graying yet. That's not a problem that I have. The problem that I seem to have is they're trying to disappear. Patchy is not really the right word, but they do just seem to be, I like the word thinning. That sounds less aggressive. They do seem to be thinning and then pretty much giving up all hope at the tails. And the funny thing is, they're not doing it equally. This brow here, from middle to about here, is staying much heavier than this one from here to here. This is a much thinner brow. All right, let's try and fix it. Oh, it's very dark over there. I assure you, this is another one of those situations where I say, I assure you, it is not that dark in person. Okay, let's spoolie them. I didn't end up with any mascara. I was really hoping to end up with a mascara. Okay, all right, that is what we've got. Sisters, not twins, right? Okay, so that is the Allure box for July 2021. I almost said 2023. Why did I do that? Oh, because it's $23. It's a $23 box. We got the $16 Winky Lux and the $132, I guess, night cream because of the way they talked about it. What else was our full-size product? Oh, the eyeshadows. A Ciate London 9-pan eyeshadow palette. The Allure Vitamin C to try. This little La Roche-Posay, which felt really nice, and it's a hyaluronic acid and B5. And then the Crabtree and Evelyn honey smelling bath gel. I think they called it bath syrup. $23. Let me know below what you guys think. I think, especially if you could use this, there's no doubt that it's worth it. You know, if you could use this. But even these two are more than the cost of the box. I will absolutely be trying this. Actually, I might slip it into this tin that I keep right here of my brushes. This is what I keep sitting on my desk upstairs for when we make our videos. If I'm gonna be doing more try-ons, I've gotta get some better brushes in there. But I might actually put this in there to have at the ready. Thank you guys so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.